Hey, it's Mickey with Motion Restoration. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a massage for constipation on your child. So for this, you want your child to be laying on their back, but with their knees bent. That way it's easier to get into the intestines there. Don't forget to grab that lotion with a good amount of glidability or coconut oil or massage oil. Get your child nice and comfortable and let's get started. All right, so our child is laying face up. Best thing to do is actually to raise the knees up or just have them bring their knees up. Then you can have a nice soft abdomen versus them clenching, because this can be quite a painful massage to do. The motion that we're going to be doing is so I'm staring up at the body. So I'm looking at my left side, up, across, and down the right side. That is the movement of the large intestine. So we are going in a clockwise formation, starting from where I'm looking at the left hip, but it is his right hip. So up and over clockwise motion. If we go the other way, we are actually going to be backing up the intestines, causing more problem with that constipation. All right, so get your lotion ready. Got my coconut oil. All right, so this can be painful when your child is experiencing acute constipation. So the first few strokes, we're just going to go nice and light over top of the abdomen and down that hip. So over, just underneath the ribs, nice and light. So right now we're just trying to warm up the area, get the child used to your hands being on the abdomen. Again, this can be quite uncomfortable, quite painful if they have pretty bad constipation. All right, so after a few passes, you may feel some gas and some gurgling. There can even be a point where you can actually feel where they are blocked. So when you start to feel that blockage, I want you to kind of focus in that area, and you're just going to help to push it along throughout the intestines. So you feel that block, and you're just going to help to move it, encouraging your child to breathe as you're pushing along. Nice and slow, and then down the intestines. All the way into that hip. And then what we're going to do is circular motions, pushing down towards the exit. So just pushing down. So encouraging that movement throughout the belly. And then down and out. And then we're going to be doing that circular motion all the way around clockwise throughout the whole intestine. So staying within the child's pain tolerance. If they tell you, Mom, that hurts, then just go a little bit looser. But if they're doing good, then keep going. Just like so. So doing circular motions up the intestine, encouraging that peristalsis, encouraging the flow of matter throughout that large intestine. Just like so. Then what we're going to do is on the sides of the abdomen, you can feel where the ribs are and then where the tops of the hip is. I want you just to put your hands in that nice soft spot, and you're going to pull up, pulling that large intestine up. Pull up, just like so. So we're just picking up that large intestine. So the borders of the large intestine are just on the outside here. So we're just picking them up. Then we're going to go in towards his right hip, and I'm just going to go along the edge, and I'm just going to push those intestines off of his hip bone, or the muscles that can be involved in this as well. So we have the iliacus and your psoas muscle, or known as the iliopsoas. So just push it off that, pushing up. And then I want you to do the same thing on the other side. So just over the lip, and we're just pushing it off. Part of that descending colon. Just get it off of that hip, make it so it can be nice and freed up. So allow more movement of those intestines. Just like so. And then finally, we are going to do that nice light pass that we did at the beginning, just following that clockwise motion, just like so. There we go. All right, so that was just a very quick abdominal massage for your child who is suffering from constipation. Now, if they do not have constipation, it is not recommended to do the abdominal massage because you can cause problems. But I also really want you to remember, if you are doing an abdominal massage, you always follow along the large intestinal tract. So it is a clockwise formation if you are staring at the child. So you're going to start from their right hip up, over and down into their left hip. Always follow that range. Go within the child's pain tolerance. It can be extremely uncomfortable when doing a massage for constipation. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.